Hi everyone and welcome back. It's James. Happy New Year. It's 2020 and this is part 2 of my January lesson plan. So I'm going to go right into how I would teach this lesson. The first thing I would say to my students is Happy New Year, and I want them to say Happy New Year. If they forget how to say it, I'll just say Happy New Year is Akimashite omedetou, okay, or Shinnen omedetou. Then I'll ask, what year is it? What year is it? 今年は何年ですか? Okay, don't say it in Japanese. You will say it like this. It's 2020. Let's just say that someone says 2020. Okay, that's fine, but I want them to practice 1000. So I want my students to say it like this. It's 2020 as opposed to 2020. Okay, so it's 2020. What animal year is it? What animal year is it? 今年は何年ですか? Nani doshi means what animal year is it, as in the 12 zodiac animals, according to the Chinese calendar. But anyway, so what animal year is it? Nani doshi desu ka? Oh, you said Nenzumi, okay. I want you to say it's the mouse, or they can say it's the rat. It's the mouse, okay? Say it like this, it's the mouse, not mouth. Okay, mouth is kuchi, mouse, nezumi. It's okay to overemphasize. You need to enunciate so that they can understand the difference. Okay, so it's the mouse or it's the rat. Okay, next. So, first of all, these are the pictures that I'm going to be using. I'll come up closer. This is osechi ryori. This is toshikoshi soba, ozoni, kazunoko, datemaki, kombu maki, dai, tazukuri, kuromame, kamaboko, iseibi. Okay? For the first week, I'll only talk about oshogatsu. And these are the cards that I'll be using. So, the first question I'll be asking is, do you like osechi? The first question I'll be asking is, do you like osechi ryori? So like this. I'll show the first card. Do you like, first of all, okay. The first question I'll be asking is about osechi ryori. I'm going to ask my students, what is do you like? This is to review things. So everyone, what is do you like? What does it mean? Do you like? Oh, good. これが好きですか? Excellent, excellent. Okay. So, do you like osechi ryori? Do you like osechi ryori? Oh, no I don't? No I don't? Oh, yes I do. And James? Yes I do a little. I'm getting used to it. I want my students to recognize each of these traditional dishes using do you know this? And they'll say yes, or yes I know, or just yes, and say the name. But first I need to review this. Do you know this? So everyone, what is do you know this? What does it mean? What is do you know this? 知ってますか? Excellent! You remember that. All right. So, do you know this? Notice I'm covering the words. Ozoni, yes, ozoni. Yes, I know, it's ozoni. I could ask, do you like it? But I'll just leave it out. Excellent. Next. Do you know this? Okay, if they don't know, you can give them a hint. It's kazu Kazunoko! Yes, it's Kazunoko! So I would ask, do you know this for each of these cards? All right? You can also ask, do you like this? Okay, so that's practicing, do you know this? Okay, and then after that, I'm going into my regular routine. I have a routine. I ask, what's your name? How do you spell your name? What is your family name? How old are you? What grade are you in? What elementary school do you go to? What English school do you go to? How do you go to this school? And they'll say, I take a car or by car, for instance. Then, where do you live? How many people are in your family? Where are you from? These are my repertoire questions. Okay? These are my repertoire questions. Then I will review my regular cards. How many days are in a week? How many days are in a week? There are 7 days. From this year, I want you to say there are. All right? There are means arimasu. There are 7 days. So there are 7 days. Okay, and then I'll ask them, what day is it today? What day was it yesterday? What day will it be tomorrow? For instance, what day is it today? Today is Monday. Very good. What day was it yesterday? Yesterday was Sunday. Excellent. What day will it be tomorrow? What day will it be tomorrow? They'll say Tuesday. Okay, let's say it like this. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. Okay, tomorrow will be Tuesday. Okay, Saturday and Sunday is the weekend. Right, the weekend. The weekend is shumatsu in Japanese. Okay, excellent. Then I might ask, what is your favorite day, or what do you usually do on the weekend? Okay, so that's it for now. Then I'll ask, how many months are in a year? And they'll say, 12 months in a year. Oh, excellent. There are 12 months in a year. Let's practice. There are 12 months in a year. I'll go over the 12 months. And I have a song for this. If you watch my other videos, you'll see me singing this song. Okay, anyway, so I'll ask the 12 months, and when is your birthday? My birthday is in February, which is true. My birthday is in February. Excellent, okay. I'll ask, how many seasons are there? They'll say, there are 4 seasons. What season is it? It's winter. But I emphasize it like this. It's winter, rather than saying it's winter. They can't hear the pronunciation. I have to say it like this. It's winter. Okay, it's winter, not winter. I mean, I normally would say it's winter when I'm speaking to other English speakers, but it's winter because we're in Japan. Okay, there are 4 seasons. Then I'll talk about the weather. Again, if you watch my other videos, you'll see me talking about these weather cards. I'll ask them, how's the weather? And they'll say it's sunny or cloudy or rainy, whatever. Okay? I also have a song for this. Then after that, I have a dice. I have 1 die and I have 2 dice. So for the older kids, I'll show them this difficult one. I'll bring it up to you. During, each, either, enough, until, important. Okay, so I'll get them to choose a word. I'll teach the meaning of each of these words, and I'll get them to choose a word, the roll the die, and if they get the right picture, they win a candy. That's in my school. Okay? The second die is this one. Knock on the door. Open the door. Say hello. Say come in. Go inside. Close the door. Again, I'll teach these phrases and I'll get them to choose one and they'll roll a die. If they get it, they win a prize. So that's a little fun and they learn some English. Okay? The next thing is the main thing. What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? This question equals これはどういう意味ですか? Mean equals 意味. Alright, just remember that, then just move on. And I have a set of gestures. You can call them expressions if you want. It's up to you. Let me bring these up to you. Hello. Nice meeting you. I have an idea. Great job. I'm scared. Well done. Look. Yes. Shh. Too loud. Oh no. No. I'm angry. Stay away. Call me. Follow me. High five. Please. I don't know. I'm bored. Good luck. Stop. Me? I love you. Hooray! Perfect. So, right after, I'll introduce these gestures. I'll ask them, what is gesture? What is gesture? Gesture in Japanese is shikusa. It's also gesture. Okay? So anyway, they'll know shikusa. So what I'm going to do is cover the words for each card, and I'll ask, what does this mean? この仕草はどういう意味ですか? Hello, very good. It means hello. Okay. What does this mean? They'll say akushu, which means shake hands. But what does it mean? It means nice meeting you. Nice to meet you. Oh yeah, you understand. Now they remember it. What does this mean? Some of my students remember me doing this gesture as I know. What does this mean? I know? I know, okay, but for this picture it's I have an idea. And they'll look at me like this. I have an idea. いい考えがある. Idea がある. Okay? Okay, so idea in Japanese idea. Almost the same. What does this mean? I usually do this. Excellent. Yes, it's excellent. Okay, very good. Good job. Excellent. What does this mean? Oh, it's scary? Okay. I'm scared. I'm scared. 怖かった. Your face. Just joking. What does this mean? You might have a smart aleck in your class. Debu. That means fatty. Okay. No, it's not that. Okay. Think. Think. What's think? 考える. Yes, you know it. Not fatty or fat or, you know. What does this mean? I do this. Very good, excellent, good job. Very good, okay? Do this for each one. Cover the words and do this for the whole month. I'm going to test my students at the end of the month. All right, so that's it for this. Okay, the next question is, does your mother or father do this? You would ask your more experienced students this question. Does your mother do this? お母さんはこのことする? That's my translation. And you would write this on the board. Yes, she does. はい、お母さんはする. No, she doesn't. いいえ、お母さんはしません. Okay, so you want to ask them, does she? To make it clearer, you can say, your mother, このことするかどうかを知りたい. I want to know if your mother does it or not. That's my translation. So, does your mother, and you would also ask, does your father? Be careful with does your father. I've met a lot of students who don't have a father. So be aware. It's like singling them out. You don't want to put them on the spot. Everyone will stop and look at them. How come you don't have a father? Okay, so be sensitive. If I have a student in a class that doesn't have a parent, so if they don't have a father, I will just ask, does your mother? If they have a father but no mother, I'll ask, does your father? So let me show you these cards. I'll ask, does your mother get dressed? Does your mother exercise? Does your mother play an instrument? Does your mother take out the trash? Does your mother shave? Does your mother take a shower? Does your mother do her hair? Not your hair. Does your mother put on makeup? Does your mother do the dishes? Or does your mother wash the dishes? Does your mother watch TV? Does your mother do the laundry? Does your mother hang the clothes? Does your mother do the dusting? Does your mother mop floors? Does your mother vacuum? Does your mother take a nap? Does your mother work? I'll leave this out. Does your mother play with peers? That's silly. So you can alternate between mother and father. Does your mother, does your father? Okay, so that covers that. And lastly are these action words. Okay, I'm going to bring up these words. I've got drop, think, wave, help, bounce, scratch, lift, dig, build, ignore, buy, tear, bite, bow, travel, share, turn off, turn on, take, throw, speak English, draw, clap, close, smile, dance, cry, bully, kneel, beg, crawl, hide, drive. I don't think I'll be using beg and kneel and some other cards, but you can choose. So you would have to know how to say these words in Japanese when you're first teaching it so that they understand travel means ryoko suru or ryoko tabi. Okay, so, okay, that. And then I'll get them to pantomime, and then I'll play Simon Says. Then I'll choose whatever word I feel is appropriate and copy it and hand it out as homework. They'll have a week to memorize the word, and that's it for this. So let's head over to my computer and I'll show you my lesson plan. You're looking at my January 2020 lesson plan. I have lessons 1, 2, and 3, but nothing for lesson 4 because I'm off. But you can adjust to that. Under warm-up, I do that every week. Under topic questions, I'll ask about Oshogatsu only for the first week. But I'll keep asking, what year is it now? What animal year is it? For lesson 2 and 3 as well. Under optional, I can ask questions in the past tense. For example, did you eat tazukuri? Did you go to Hatsumode? And I can ask these additional questions. When is Seiji no Hi? That is the coming of age day. Where did you go during the winter holiday? I went to Hokkaido, for instance. Under main questions, I've already shown you this. Does your mother or father? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. What does this mean? I've already shown you the gestures. Under action words, I've already shown you those. I'll get them to pantomime and play Simon Says, and I'll also assign an action word for homework. And for my school, I'll test my students in lesson 3. What year is it now? What animal year is it? And that's it for this video. Hopefully you liked it. Be free to use it. Thanks for watching, and Happy New Year.